This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have admin access and the service inbox. Now start building your support workflow. First, assign roles so agents see only relevant tickets and contacts. Once done, connect email and chat channels and enable ticket creation. This routes customer messages into HubSpot. Next, create a simple ticket pipeline with 3-5 statuses and add automation rules for assignment. Do this now so every incoming message becomes an actionable ticket rather than a lost email. Once your pipeline exists, focus on automation to reduce manual work. Configure property-based routing so tickets tag to teams by product, priority, or region. This speeds response time and ensures ownership. Then create snippets and canned replies tied to common issues and surface relevant knowledge base articles in the composer. Agents save minutes per interaction. Finally, build workflows to set SLA timers, auto-escalate overdue tickets, and send satisfaction surveys when a ticket closes, so you can measure and improve performance. To complete setup, create dashboards showing response time, backlog, and CSAT so you can monitor health in real time. Make sure agents know to use internal notes and collision detection to avoid duplicate work, and schedule quick training on ticket reassignment. If anything breaks, check channel authentication, inbox quotas, and workflow enrollment criteria first. These are the usual culprits. If automation misroutes tickets, temporarily pause the workflow, fix conditions, and re-enroll affected tickets to restore smooth service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.